Recently, many people have been asking me how I created my input display, and every time another person asked it, I was more and more keen to make a video about it, and here it is. The input display is a combination of an nespy, a color key in OBS, and an image of an NES controller. I'll break it down step by step. First, navigate to github.com/3creepio/nespy and click on the Releases button. Download the latest version 0.1.2 at the time of recording. Note that this software is for Windows only. Now extract the folder to wherever you want to hold the application. To configure hotkeys, open the nespy configuration settings file. First of all, you must change input type to NES, keyboard, or joypad. For NES users, you must modify the NES section, however, that will not be covered in this video. For keyboard users, navigate to the Keyboard section. This is where you will choose what happens when left and right are pressed at the same time. Option 2 is what I use, and the only one allowed for SMB1 speedrunning. Next are the hotkeys. Read keycodes.txt for a list of the names of each key, as some, such as Enter, are required to be called Return. You can change the hotkeys to whatever you like in the nespy configuration file. The next section is for the frame rate. The commented line provides SMB1's NTSC and PAL frame rate, and you can substitute those for the default one if needed. The final section is joypad. This is only needed if using a controller, and the options are the same as the ones mentioned previously. You can now open the nespy.exe file and test it out. It should display your inputs and log them in the terminal. The next step is to download the NES controller image. Go to https://wikimedia.org/wikipedia/commons/thumb/3/30/nes_controllered svg/2560px-nes_controllered svg.png link in description. Right-click on the image and select Save Image As, and download it to wherever you prefer. Now it's time to put it all together. Open OBS, download link in description, and create a new scene. In the Sources section, click the plus button to add a source, and select Image. Choose the image you just downloaded. Press OK, and resize the image to however large you want it to be. Now add another source, this time a window capture. Make sure you still have nespy.exe open. Set the window to the nespy.exe window. Now, right-click on the nespy.exe source and select Filters. Click the plus under Effect Filters and select Color Key. Set Color Key Type to Custom Color and set the color to black. You can now close this menu. Now, resize nespy until most of it overlaps with the buttons on the image. It won't be perfect, but we'll get pretty close. That's it. That's all that's needed to set up an input display just like mine. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you next time.